I'm going to show you how to import all of your variables and your classes for Elementor version 4 from one website to another. It's one of the most efficient ways that you can add a blueprint to a website. And it's really easy and simple to do because inside a WordPress sidebar, you'll have Elementor v4 export. And if you've already built out your variables and your classes and you've done all the hard work, you can export that and then import it to another website. I do want to let you know, though, that I am going to give you a blueprint that you can import into your existing or brand new websites. Okay, I'm going to show you how we export and import, but focus on the import bit. And when you click the link, you can go and import a ready-made blueprint that's going to give you a font clamp system and a good range of global colors. The first thing you got to do is click the link in the video description, get hold of this code snippet and add it to your existing and your new website. Then go and build out your classes and add your variables. But like I said, you could just use the blueprint. Okay, but let's just say you've built something out on a existing website. You would then go over to the sidebar and you click Elementor v4 export. Give it a name and then click download, and that will go to your downloads folder on your computer. Here I'm on a brand new website and this has no existing classes or variables at all. And you can use the blueprint on an existing website as well. So it doesn't have to be a brand new one. You could have a website that's already built, but you want to import into it some classes and variables. Again, on the new website, you want to make sure you go over to Tools and Elementor v4 export. And then where you have the import, I'm going to choose my file and then I will import it. Now, if you have already got some pre-existing classes or variables added, then you may want to merge it. But I don't have anything, so I'm now just going to click import. And you are given a reminder that once that's done, go and regenerate. Back onto my page, I now have variables. These have all come over from the blueprint that we imported. We've got a range of colors that you can change or add or delete. And we got font clamp formulas. And then I've used these for the classes, but I didn't have to rebuild from scratch. Because we imported it, when I now go and have a look at my class manager, they're all there. This is everything we pulled over. So if you want to hit the ground running with your classes and variables because you're still getting used to it and you're still learning, but you just want to have a system built for you, go and get the blueprint. It's free because it's going to make building out your website so much more efficient. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye. And don't forget to sign up for our channel for exclusive videos. Bye.